Good evening, chefs, and it is a pleasure to welcome you at IIHM. We have with us Chef Simone de Siato and Chef Piero Ditrizio from the Etoile Academy, Italy. Chef, thank you for taking your time out and coming all the way to India, to IIHM, to the City of Joy. So, very warm welcome to us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Our
very much.
pleasure.
Chef, I have a question for you. You both are so young, so talented, and if I'm not wrong, a decade back, people had this perception that to become an executive chef or to be more knowledgeable, you need to be old, you need to have gray hairs, you need to be a little bossy kind. But you two, I think you have just proved it wrong. What is your take on this change in the world of culinary?
The new generation of chef is change. Why? Because before the young chef not possible study, just with experience. Also now have to do more experience for become a chef. But born good school and the new generation of chef is, are very lucky for study in good school. For example, I'm very lucky. I study in a good school, our academy, Campus Etoile Academy, and change my professional life. I know all the new technique. In 1 year, I know some different big chef, and in just 1 year, I know maybe 10 years of work, same more year ago. But also now is most important experience. Don't need just study, but the study and maybe 3, 4, 5 hours of experience professional. The new generation can become a good quality professional.
Wow, great. So I believe the institutes, or I should say the college like the Campus Etoile Academy and International Institute of Hotel Management has made some difference, and they are bringing the young blood to lead the culinary industry, isn't it? I think that's a great thing, that the education along with experience is making the difference. Chef, I believe yesterday you had a great time with our students, interacting them and teaching them new techniques of culinary. Tell us about your experience, please.
Okay, for me is the first time I come in India, and I'm very happy because I come also here for your hospitality. I want to say the big thank you, the IIHM as well, and because everybody are polite, everybody, all the students are interesting. I saw in the high very passion, very love in this work, for this work. And yesterday also during the master class, I saw them very love for this job. They help me. They ask, chef, can I help you? Chef, can I do this? This is very important for one guys, because if you don't have passion, if you don't have curiosity, if you don't have if you don't sacrificate, you cannot do anything, because our job is hard work. In the kitchen, normally when I work in London in the kitchen in one 2 Michelin-star restaurant, I work for 20 hours per day. One time I remember 24 hours per day I work one time. So it's very hard work. If you don't do this with very passion and love for this job, you cannot do that.
Very true. So I believe it's the passion which drives you and which takes you ahead and ahead in life. But it is great to hear that the students of IIHM are hospitable and they have the basic skills in them, and I'm sure they'll grow well. Chef, you too, probably you have become a role model for all our students, so young, so talented and dynamic. What will be your message for our students?
Follow the dream with passion, love, but is most important hard work. Just with hard work and passion can arrived take by end the dream.
And Chef, your message for our students, please.
Never stop. Never stop. They have to hungry of learn every time. Every time. If someone come, it's very important. Focus with that people and see all your movements. Just today, I told one guys, you see why the chef do this job first and then that job late? Because it's just organized.
Yeah.
You need to organize. Our job is very important to organize. Because if you don't organize, you cannot do it. Because you need to, normally I write everything on the paper and then I do with my head first and then with my hand.
It's very true, Chef. Like, how important is discipline and teamwork in this culinary industry? Is it very important to become successful? The word discipline, you need to be disciplined, as you said that you are very organized. Is it very important, or what is?
It's the most important because in the kitchen there are one organized, the chef, the basic level, the committee of the kitchen, you know. When the new generation start the work, for it's most important respect for the older chef, no?
Yeah.
And just with respect, he can go avanti.
Miles ahead in life.
Okay.
Great. I think
Straight.
yeah,
Straight.
exactly.
Just
So-
with respect, we can go straight.
Thank you, Chef. Once again, on behalf of IIHM family, I welcome you both to the college, International Institute of Hotel
Thank you very
Management,
much
and it
for
was
the
pleasure
everything.
talking to you both. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
And I know you both are traveling back home tomorrow, so wish you all the very best and have a safe flight back home. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
IIHM
98310 50,000.